Hi, Ramil. Nasaan ka? Where are you going?
I'm here in Macau.
Dito po napakaraming free taste. Ang sarap ng mga free taste. Busog na po ang mangyan. Okay.
Ayun na nga.
Hello,
Okay, this is pork?
Hey, beef.
No.
Hey,
Only beef.
people.
Beef? This one. Okay, like this one or?
Free
It is a beef. Okay, free taste. Free taste.
Okay.
Yeah, free taste.
Wow, thank you.
Wow, delicious.
Wow.
Wow.
What is this name?
It's a pork beef. And this is a pork beef. No, this is a beef.
What is this?
Ano tawag na dito, Mets? Dirty?
Beef jerky.
Beef dirty and pork dirty.
This is pork jerky.
Okay, this is pork dirty. Beef dirty. Meron pa ito cookies. Meron pang free taste po ng cookies. This is cookie. Cookies. Do you want cookies?
Is that okay?
Yeah. Ate Bing. What? Masarap hindi.
Masala.
Okay. Masala.
Cookies.
Okay. Ang sarap. Busog ka po dito sa pamamasyal sa free taste. Okay. See you tomorrow.